So, hello, I'm Samson Publico, and good day everyone. Today, I'll be discussing the two main types of functions in Python. The, f- the first one is built-in functions, and the second one is user-defined functions. Functions are important because they help us organize our code, avoiding repetition, and make programs easier to read and maintain. So the first one we'll be discussing is the built-in functions. Let's start with built-in functions. These are functions that already come with Python, so we don't need to create them ourselves. They are also called predefined functions. These functions help us perform common tasks quickly. For example, lets the user enter value and tell us what kind of data a variable contains. Here's a simple example using the built-in function. Generates the numbers from 1 to 9. The function automatically gives us a sequence of numbers based on the start and stop values. This shows how built-in functions save time and reduce errors because the logic is already built for us. And now, let's move on to user-defined functions. Unlike built-in functions, these are functions that we create ourselves using the keyword. Programmers use user-defined functions to perform tasks that are specific to the program they are making. User-defined functions can take parameters, perform operations, and return values. They make our code cleaner, reusable, and easier to understand. And here's a basic example of a user-defined function. If we call greet Leandro, the output will be hello Leandro. This function allows us to reuse the same block of code whenever we want to greet someone, instead of typing the print statement repeatedly. And to summarize, Python has two types of functions: built-in functions, which are already provided by Python, and user-defined functions, which we create ourselves. Both types are essential because they helps us write efficient, organized, and reusable programs. And by understanding how to use and create functions, we can build more powerful Python projects. In conclusion, understanding function is one of the most important skills in Python programming. Built-in functions allow us to use ready-made tools, while user-defined functions let us create our own customized solutions. When we combine both, we can write programs that are cleaner, more organized, and easier to debug. Mastering functions is a strong foundation for learning more advanced Python topics. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.